I'm in Rochdale and I'm here at MTDCNC, and I'm here in front of one of the latest additions to their range. This is a 5-axis machining centre and it's the V-Centre AX350. Now, I'm going to open the door to this machine. Importantly, one of the first questions or one of the first things or engineers look for is the capacity. This machine's got 650 in the X, 480 in the Y and 540 in the Z axis. The control, this particular model has a FANUC series control and it's the OI control. Now it does have manual guide on it. This control itself, if you're planning to do 4+1 machining, that is where this machine fits. You can do 5-axis simultaneous machining, but you would need to go up to the 31i control. Now the table itself has an A-axis and a C-axis. Like a lot of 5-axis machines these days, you can achieve negative angles with this machine. You've got 360 degrees on the C-axis, and then you've got minus 120 or plus 30 on the A-axis. Speed of the machine, well, it's a fast machine. You've got 48 meters a minute in the rapids. That's when you do use or when you do have the machine fitted with a FANUC control, because there is the option to have a Heidenhain control as well. But if you go for the FANUC control, the machine comes with FANUC drives and FANUC motors, and that's where you get the extra performance and you get up to the 48 meters a minute. Great having a machine that's got fast rapids, but you obviously need a high spindle speed in order to marry the two up. And with this machine, you've got a 12,000 RPM spindle, and you can go for the option of a 15,000 RPM spindle if you choose. Tool changer, 32 stations. Now, what sets Victor apart? What makes a Victor machine different to some of the other manufacturers that are supplying 5-axis machines? Well, when we travel around the country and we talk to engineers that have Victor machines, whether they're Victor lathes or Victor machining centres, when we ask them the question about why they bought the machine and would they go for another one, the reason that they bought the machine is because the build quality, the rigidity, the longevity, and then to answer the question, would they buy another one? Well, the answer is always yes. This machine is no compromise. It's got a cast iron base. The spindle is an integrated spindle motor, so there's no belts, so it's got plenty of power. Now with the auto cam here, the 5-axis or the 2-axis table, this is actually a roller cam drive. So it's not a worm gear drive, this is actually a roller cam drive, and that means you don't get any backlash. So when you are looking at repeatability, accuracy and performance, this type of rotary table is the right type of rotary table to go for on your 5-axis machine. Now, where does it sit in the market? Who would buy it? It's an entry-level 5-axis machine. So you're a machine shop, you've got a 3-axis machining centre, maybe you're looking to reduce operations, so you want to machine a part from start to finish in one operation or potentially 2 operations, then this machine is ideal for 5-face machining. If you want to step up from that and go for the simultaneous, you can do that with Victor, and you can go for the AX350 with the FANUC 31i control. So, to summarise, 5-face machining, 4+1 or 3+2, rigidity, stability, longevity, and very competitive on price is the new AX350 from MTDCNC.
MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.